Let's take a look at another database for researching. We're going to go to JSTOR. When you open up JSTOR, if you have not done so, you need to register using your school email address. And this is how you can save articles to your account. I've already registered, so I'm going to log in. And here you can start researching, or let's go to advanced search. We're going to look at refugees. Select the access type. I want to only find things that I can actually access the entire full article. I want to select articles, and I'm going to select the date range of articles I want to find. You can type in specific journals titles, or here are some other journal types if you want to narrow your searches. So I'm going to submit my advanced search. 3,000 titles. Maybe I would like to adjust the date. I can now see what are some other types of specific subjects that maybe might help me narrow down my search. So when I open up the article, here's an abstract. Is this article going to support my research? I can then go through all of the pages. Take a look. Here's some information about this article. You can see just the thumbnails of all the different pages and the references used for this particular article. I have the option to save, which if I click the save, then I can now save this to my own JSTOR account. Or my option is to click download PDF, and I would use this option if I'm on a laptop or a computer. So I can download this file, then move this file over to Drive so that I can then open it up in Notability and use my Apple Pencil to mark up the document, however fits my needs. So with JSTOR, recommend that you create your own login after you've accessed this resource through Mac and VIA.